Dominguez. 2 of those home runs coming in this series. And he drives this one to right center field. Brian Radcliffe back to the wall, leaps and makes the catch. Baron Radcliffe crashing into the Rutgers Event Center, but taking extra base hits away from Jasson Dominguez. You have luxury to do with these 6-game series, and you can kind of see why the Yankee free agent, the international free agent signing, and this one's ripped into left field. Ethan Wilson back, looks up, and it's off the wall. Wilson will turn and play it off a bounce, and a play at second is in time. Ethan Wilson played the carom perfectly, made the throw, and Oliver Dunn made the tag.
Hendrickson 4 innings and Leverett. You go lefty, then back to a righty, so you kind of flip, the perception in a sense. Raul Dominguez tried to stack some more righties in the lineup today against the lefty Hendrickson. Next pitch is hit in the air well, out towards right center. Marcus Lee Sang goes back. He's at the wall, and it is off the top of the wall. Rolls back into center field. De La Cruz has it. Initially having the green light around third was Gasper, but Raul Dominguez stops him at the last second. So this time he does get a double. Almost robbed of one again, though.
Right.
As Dominguez, the Yankees' number 2 overall prospect, will dig in from the left side. Here's the pitch, swung on, hit in the air, out towards right center. Lee Sang and Radcliffe both go back. It'll hit off the wall, be misplayed by Lee Sang. Around third and scoring's Max Burt. Dominguez stops at second, and it's a 1-out RBI double for Jasson Dominguez, and that makes it 5-1 Patriots.
He's out front 0-2. Back with a fastball. Dominguez drives this one into the gap. Marcus Lee Sang is going to play this off the gap, and the double day continues for Jasson Dominguez as he'll roll into second base with yet another double. He could be 5 for 5 with 5 doubles if it wasn't for some defense by the Phils.
Yeah, he's got 3 doubles, 4 hits. Like you said, could be 5 for 5 with 5 doubles.